It is time for the pool opening of 2019. Here we are, what is it, May 6th or something like that? I'm doing this at least a week later than I wanted to, because the weather has just been so dicked. It's been cold, it rained for the last 9 days or something like that. It's just been terrible, and I'm getting a late start on this, and I'm very disheveled and very unhappy about this whole thing, so we'll see how it goes. Joe, ex-Joe81X, has a Witten that he takes care of now, so he can't help me, so I just have the whiff. So it's just going to be us, and today we're going to be taking off the cover. Now, as you see, there is a lot of water on top of the cover, and that is because the cover has holes in it. This is the last year for this cover. It's shot. We've taken the water bags off already. I decided not to bother draining this, because if I do, I'm only going to be adding the same water right back. The cover, I'm just going to slide off. Yeah, all the green and stuff is going to go in the pool, but I don't have a choice because I can't drain it out, because if I do that, it just drains the water in the pool and leaves the water on top of the cover. So, such is, I've already taken a peek, and the water is pond-like. So anyway, without further ado, here we go. did it, yeah. Okay. Welcome to Jay's Pond. We could do a whole fucking science experiment.
It probably is a science experiment.
And, yeah, can't see about a foot down, so that's a lot of fun. Anyway, I definitely saw one of the holes in the cover as we pulled it off. So like I said, this cover is definitely shot, and I'm just going to throw it out because it's shot. And that's it. So that was taking the cover off. Now, the next order of business, which will be the next video, is removing the plugs, but unfortunately, there's not going to be too much to see because there's just too much black water. I think there's a song about that.
Oh, black water, keep on rolling, Mississippi moon, won't you keep on shining on.
Anyway, in the next part, we'll do our best with that. Stay tuned.